Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Sundays with Selly. What are we doing today? Today we are talking about the DJI drone into Raymarine's Axiom MFDs. Last summer we went down for center consoles only. We did a full Axiom package on their Reef Runner. Did a quick little video showing that you could fly the drone from the chart plotter. And all of a sudden, bam, 30, 40, 50,000 people watch that thing, I think, in like 24 or 48 hours. So clearly there's some interest. They've shared it a couple of times since then. People ask how you do it and what's it take. So we're going to show you. It's real simple. All you need, DJI drone, Raymarine Axiom chart plotter, DJI remote, and a USB with a micro B connection on the other end. That's all you need to make this work. So how do you do it? Well, get your DJI remote, and on the back of your, bottom of your remote here rather, you've got your USB plug. You probably use it for like your iPad, things like that for controlling. Plug that into there. You come over here to the back side of this unit, and you're going to see that there's an accessory port right here. So we go ahead and we get ourselves plugged in to that, and then we set ourselves up a page to fly the drone. Now it's important to remember that you cannot do screen sharing with the DJI drone flying for safety reasons. So that's why we're just going to have to kind of show it on this. But push your finger on an open tile here, and you're going to see these tiles show up right here, and one of them right here says UAV. That's for the drone, little picture of a drone. You click that and we say next. And now we want to name it. So we're going to go ahead and we're just going to call this the drone screen. We're going to save it. There. Now right there we have the icon set up and ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on my remote here. Get the familiar DJI beep. Turn on the drone. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to start this. Now obviously it's going to say right now, right out of the gate, that there is no connection because everything's got to get up and power up and get online. The remote has to connect to our drone. There we go. It's going to take a second. Now, look at that. We know we have compass errors and everything, right? Because we're inside a building. But from right here, you now have the view of what the camera is. So now you can just fly right here as normal. You can also adjust your gimbal right here on the side. But if you really want to, you can go right here. And now this is going to replicate these controls right here for the drone. So now you can fly the drone from here, you can take pictures, you can record, and there also are other features over here where you can take a photo. Now if this was flying, obviously we would see these other things for take off and fish on. So you go ahead and hit the fish on button. The DJI knows where the GPS is for here, and it is going to go ahead and record you while you're bringing the fish in. It's a pretty cool, pretty slick little feature. It's been out there for, I don't know, 3-4 years now. I think it's underutilized. Not a lot of people know it's even there and available as an option. So just kind of a cool thing to have. Another thing, if you've got a Raymarine Axiom, it's something that you can do. Maybe you're looking to upgrade. It's a cool little thing to do. Get some great footage, and it knows to follow the boat. So now you don't have to worry about the return home features. It knows return home is the boat. So just some more cool features out there for it. So that's it. That's this week's Sundays with Selly. As always, be sure to give us a follow on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook to stay up to date with the latest marine tech trends. We always got some cool videos going on there. We try and keep you guys some fresh, up-to-date content. Spring/summer's finally starting to pop off here in New England, so we're going to be out on the water. We're getting some more on the water footage, doing some more stuff for you guys out there. As always, there's something you want to see me cover. If you got some questions, leave it below down there in the comments. We'll do our best to answer them for you, or maybe we'll feature it on an upcoming episode of Sundays with Selly. Until next time, guys, I'm going to grab my drink here and head out and see what other kind of shenanigans I can get up to today. Peace.